Precision is one of the most important factors in any successful concrete construction project. Whether building a residential foundation, commercial structure, driveway, patio, sidewalk, or retaining wall, accurate concrete placement plays a critical role in the strength, appearance, and durability of the finished product. As construction projects become more complex and timelines become tighter, contractors and property owners increasingly rely on concrete pumping services to achieve better results. In Danbury, concrete pumping has become a preferred solution for improving efficiency and precision during concrete placement. By using specialized equipment to transport concrete directly to the pour location, contractors can achieve greater control, minimize waste, and ensure consistent results throughout the project. What is concrete pumping? Concrete pumping is a process that uses specialized machinery to move liquid concrete from a mixer truck through hoses or pipelines directly to the desired placement area. Instead of relying on wheelbarrows, buckets, or extensive manual labor, concrete is delivered efficiently and accurately to locations that may otherwise be difficult to access. This method is commonly used on residential, commercial, and industrial projects because it provides greater flexibility and helps ensure that concrete is placed exactly where it is needed. For projects in Danbury, where site conditions and property layouts can vary significantly, concrete pumping offers a practical and highly effective solution. Delivering concrete exactly where it's needed. One of the biggest advantages of concrete pumping is its ability to improve placement accuracy. Traditional concrete delivery methods can make it challenging to control where material is deposited, especially in confined spaces or areas with obstacles. Concrete pumping allows operators to direct concrete with exceptional precision. Hoses and boom systems can reach specific locations, enabling crews to place material exactly where it is required without unnecessary spreading or repositioning. This level of accuracy helps create cleaner pours and supports better overall construction quality. Reducing material waste. Concrete is a valuable construction material, and minimizing waste is important for both cost control and project efficiency. When concrete is moved manually, there is often a greater risk of spills, overpouring, or uneven distribution. Concrete pumping significantly reduces these issues by delivering material directly to the intended area. Improved control means less wasted concrete and more efficient use of resources. For contractors and property owners alike, reducing waste can help keep projects on budget while supporting environmentally responsible construction practices. Improving consistency throughout the pour. Consistency is essential for achieving strong and durable concrete structures. Uneven placement can affect curing, appearance, and long-term performance. Concrete pumping helps maintain a steady flow of material throughout the pouring process. This controlled delivery reduces interruptions and promotes uniform distribution across slabs, footings, foundations, and other structural components. Consistent placement contributes to a smoother finish and helps ensure the concrete performs as intended over time. Reaching difficult access areas. Many construction sites present challenges that make traditional concrete placement methods less practical. Narrow access points, elevated locations, fenced properties, and areas with landscaping or existing structures can complicate the process. Concrete pumping equipment is designed to overcome these obstacles. Boom pumps and line pumps can transport concrete over, around, or through challenging site conditions without disrupting surrounding areas. This capability allows contractors to complete projects efficiently while maintaining precision, even in locations that would otherwise be difficult to reach. Enhancing job site efficiency. Construction schedules often depend on completing concrete pours quickly and accurately. Delays can affect multiple phases of a project and increase labor costs. Concrete pumping streamlines the placement process by reducing the need for manual transportation of concrete across the job site. Crews can focus on finishing and quality control rather than spending valuable time moving material. The result is a faster, more organized workflow that supports productivity without compromising accuracy. Supporting better finished results. Precision during placement directly influences the quality of the finished concrete surface. Properly placed concrete is easier to level, finish, and cure correctly. Because concrete pumping allows for greater control over material distribution, contractors can achieve more uniform surfaces and cleaner edges. Whether the project involves decorative concrete, foundations, driveways, or structural work, improved placement contributes to a professional final appearance. Homeowners and property owners benefit from a finished product that not only looks better but is also built to last. A smart solution for Danbury construction projects. Concrete pumping has transformed the way many construction projects are completed by offering greater accuracy, efficiency, and reliability. From reducing waste and improving consistency to reaching difficult locations and supporting higher quality finishes, the advantages are clear. For contractors, builders, and property owners in Danbury, concrete pumping provides a practical solution that enhances precision at every stage of the placement process. By investing in professional concrete pumping services, construction teams can achieve stronger results, improve productivity, and help ensure the long-term success of their projects.